So, very good morning to my dear students of class 8. Today, we are going to discuss our third chapter, and the name of this chapter is Reproduction in animals. Dear students, this chapter includes a general information of the event of sexual reproduction in animals, but is mainly focused on the human reproductive system, or you can say it is mainly focused on sexual reproduction in humans. In our previous studies, we have studied about different type of modes of reproduction in plants. Here we are going to discuss about the sexual reproduction process in the case of animals. Dear students, in the case of animals, in the higher groups, there are separate sexes. One male and other female is there. In few species belonging to invertebrates, few phylums belonging to invertebrates, there may be no any type of sexual separation, or there is no any type of specific sex organ. But later, when you come into the Ascaris, then you can see this kind of sexual dimorphism. It means male and female, both are separate. In the case of sexual reproduction, there will be one male and other female. This male produces gamete. Female also produce gamete. Gamete produced by male is called sperm, and the gamete produced by female is known as ovum. Dear students, there are the specific type of things which are getting produced from the germinal cells. When this sperm and ova fuse with these together, it gives rise zygote and further embryo. This zygote will develop into the embryo. After this, I would like to show you a very simple diagram how this nature of ova is. This is ova, and the structure of sperm is like this. This is ova and this is sperm. This type of structure is common in those animals. Is common in all the animals, that whenever this ova will be produced, it seems like this, and sperm produced seems like this. Events taking place during sexual reproduction. This is our new heading on which we are going to discuss about the further processes which are involved in the reproduction of animals. So, number one step is gametogenesis. It includes production of gametes. You have studied previously, no? That two types of gametes are being formed. One is male gamete, another is female gamete. Okay? So male gamete will be sperm and female gamete will be ova. So the process in which there will be production of gametes is known as gametogenesis. One more thing I would like to inform you. By the process of reductional division. So, our next discussion is based on this particular word, reductional division. Beta, there are two types of cells are present in us. One is somatic cell. Somatic cell include whole of our body. Everywhere there will be somatic cell. And germinal cell. So germinal cell is present in the testis. That is the male reproductive part, and ovary, the female reproductive part. When they give rise sperm and ova respectively, then there will be reductional division. Now the question is, what is reductional division? As you know, 46 chromosomes are there in humans. You should know about this fact that the number of chromosomes in a given organism is always constant. So, 46 chromosomes are there in the case of humans. When reductional division takes place, then number of these 46 chromosomes will be 23. Now you may be thinking, what was the need of having this reductional division? What was the need for having this reductional division? First of all, mention reductional division is a division in which number of chromosomes become half. Number of chromosomes become half. Now, our next aim is to discuss what was the need of this reductional division. See, suppose I told you initially that the number of chromosomes in each individual is a constant. Suppose if you give having 46 chromosomes, crossing with a female having 46 chromosomes, so the child will be having 92 chromosomes. And I told that this is a constant. So how it is possible that these 92 chromosomes will be there in a child? Number one. Number two, if there will be, it is just double, no? It is just double. I want to tell you, if there will be single increase or decrease in a chromosome, that individual will be something different rather than a human. He or she seems like human, but they will not fertile. They may be having several type of different characteristics. It is possible that only a single body may be having both type of reproductive organ. These abnormalities occur if there will be any increase or decrease of a single chromosome. And here what happened? The number of chromosomes is just double. So I want to tell you, in spite of being like this 46 chromosome undergo reductional division and produce 23. And this also undergo reductional division, produce 23. Again, in the child, there will be 46 chromosomes. So what happened? It happened that, as I told you, that the number of chromosomes in an individual is a constant, the same thing appears here. This was the importance of reduction division. This was the importance of reduction division. The next step is fertilization. The next step is fertilization. It involves fusion of male and female gamete. It involves fusion of male and female gamete. It means sperm and ova will fuse together. This fertilization may be of two types: external internal. If fusion took place externally, then it will be external type of fertilization. If fusion takes place externally, outside from the body, then it will be called external. Then it will be called external. Example: frog. What happened in the frog? How this external fertilization is taking place? Let us see. Male frog produces sperm and female produce egg. They both are laying these two things in the water. In the water. And because of the flow of the water, they are fusing with each together external. So this process is happening where? Outside of the body. Inside the water it is happening. Therefore, this type of reproduction will be called as external fertilization. Sorry, this type of fertilization will be called as external fertilization. And what is happening inside in the other higher organism when this sperm goes to the female body and fusing with the egg, then this will be called as internal type of fertilization. So what happened? Fertilization is the fusion of male and female gametes. It may be two types, external and internal. External, I showed here frog, and here man you can mention. Then the third step will be embryogenesis. Means development of embryo. I told you initially, when this male and female gamete fuse with each together, they will be forming zygote, and this zygote undergo many reductional division and forming embryo. So, embryogenesis is the process in which we are discussing about the development of embryo. Then the fourth is development. All the processes which are involved in the development of embryo to a particular organism is known as developmental pattern of that particular organism. Developmental pattern of that particular organism. Okay. So there are the four steps: gametogenesis, fertilization, embryogenesis, and development taking place in the sexual reproduction process. Now, after discussing about the process of sexual reproduction, we are going to discuss about the significance of sexual reproduction. Whenever you go anywhere, if the son or daughter of your brother, your sister, anyone that is related with you, you are seeing people are telling that his nose is just like his father, his eyes are just like his mother or her mother. What is this? It is when there will be fusion of sperm and ova. So this sperm will be having characters of male and this ova is having characters of female. And when a child is being produced, he may be having characters of his father and mother. Means a mixed character will be present in this child, okay, of his parents or her parents. So what happened? This child is now a new species. Therefore, the major significance of the process of sexual reproduction is the production of a new is the production of a new species. Okay. Now, classification of animals according to reproductive nature. They may be of two types: viviparous and oviparous. There may be two types: viviparous and oviparous. Viviparous organism are those which are giving birth to a child. Those animals which are giving birth to a child are known as viviparous animals. Viviparous animals. And those which are oviparous, no, they are giving which are laying eggs. So those which are laying eggs will be oviparous, and those which are giving birth to a child is known as viviparous. In this section, we have discussed about the process of sexual reproduction, events which are taking place in the process of sexual reproduction, then different type of fertilizations, external, internal, and then we classified animals according to vivi and oviparous. Okay, so in this class that much is enough. In the next session we will discuss about the sexual reproduction in the case of humans. Till then, thank you very much for watching the video.